Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to manipulate numbers in Python, only to hit a wall? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to remove the last digit from an integer in Python. I totally get it. It's annoying when you think you have the right code, but it just doesn't work. You're not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges when coding. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How do I remove the last number from an integer in Python?" They provided an example that didn't work and mentioned they are using Python 2.7. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So what's going wrong here? The issue arises because strings and integers are treated differently in Python. The user is trying to slice an integer as if it were a string, which leads to errors. Let's clarify this step by step. And don't go anywhere. I have a simple workaround at the end that will make this process a breeze. To remove the last digit from an integer in Python, the user should first convert the integer to a string. This allows for easy manipulation of the digits. Next, the user can slice the string to remove the last character. This is done by using the slicing method, which allows the user to specify the portion of the string they want to keep. After slicing, the user should convert the string back to an integer. This step is crucial to ensure the final result is in the correct format. Finally, the user can print the result to verify that the last digit has been successfully removed from the integer. Fun fact, did you know that Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python? So if your code is making you laugh or cry, just remember, it's all part of the fun. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by another user involves using the modulus and integer division operations. First, they take the original number and use the modulus operator to isolate the last digit. Then, they divide the number by 10 to remove that last digit. This process is repeated to remove additional digits if needed. Here's the workaround I promised. Remember to always convert your integers to strings before slicing. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to remove the last digit from an integer in Python without any issues. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more Python challenges.